Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Hyundai Santa Fe headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct for accurate measurements. Mark the wall with tape to align with the center of each headlight. This setup is crucial for proper adjustment. Now, let's find those adjustment points. Open your hood and look behind each headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 screws per headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. The other screw adjusts the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. You'll usually need a Phillips head screwdriver or a small hex wrench. With your marks on the wall, it's time to adjust the vertical aim. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to move the headlight beam up or down. For most vehicles, the top of the low beam's intense cutoff line should be about 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. Adjust one headlight at a time, covering the other to ensure accuracy. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal aim. Use the horizontal adjustment screw to move the beam left or right. The brightest part of your low beam should be centered directly in front of your vehicle. After adjusting both headlights, take your Santa Fe for a short drive to confirm the new aim provides clear, safe visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Recheck if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.